Hi. How did you get in here again? What's up, guys? So it is Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. And I'm about to go downtown Orlando to a new bar called Joysticks, and I'm gonna do strangers. I'm not gonna do the strangers, that'd be weird. Hey, gotta go up to somebody, can I do you? Sure! Charades, there it is, charades with strangers. So I printed out like some of these things online. I didn't look at them, like I looked at a few, but then I had somebody else cut them for me and fold them or whatever. So this is the pile right here. That's the pile of all the charades things. So they range from like super easy, like action, so like eating. So someone just like eating, easy. And then there's harder ones like a Scottish bagpipe player. And that should be fun. So we're gonna go to this bar, Joysticks, and I'm gonna go up to some random people and ask them if they wanna play and record it for YouTube. And then it's coming to you on Friday, cause that's when I post. I post on Fridays. So get ready, cause I'm coming at you. Peace. Alright, what's up, dude? What's your name?
Hey, man, what's up? Jesse.
Jesse? Today we're doing charades with strangers. So I have a hat, and in this hat there's some things. They range from easy to like really difficult. So I'm gonna give you what you choose, and then I'm gonna try to guess, and then we'll reverse it and I'll do it for you. Okay. Alright? Difficult one. That's all right. Okay, here we go. Alright, set a timer for 30 seconds. Go. Play guitar. Air guitar.
No, not air
Guitar. Strumming. Drums. Stand. Hairband. A musician.
Keep going.
A concert band. A rock star.
Yeah!
There we go. Thank you. What's up, man?
Don't be a hot ass.
Don't be a head ass. Let's see how this goes. Let's see. It's real hot.
It's hot.
I'm trying to turn 24 next
Jesus.
month.
I'll make 28.
Oh, weird. I don't even know. I've never thought about that.
Yeah, it's over here.
Hopefully they let me record in here or I'll be pissed. But everybody, this is Joyce. Look at this artwork. Ooh, almost missed a step. Almost missed a step. Follow Rainbow Road Mario Kart. Hey, she lit. Scooby-Doo. Alright, so what did you just make me?
Dinner. Your question. Weird science.
A weird science. Look at this man. You're really out there like you're bubbling. Who did they talk to? When Bae says you're in trouble? It's on Wednesday, so it's not that bad, but we'll figure it out.
I don't even think you might need the light. Alright.
I need the light! I need it!
Chop Mason.
We're ready for an epic battle of motherfucking air hockey. I was about to say ping pong, but that's not the right game.
I stand behind it. Hey, goal to goal.
How does it feel? It feels good. How's it feel? Washy? You look good on camera.
Hi, from the Joysticks are later downtown and coming out.
Come out, play some games. They got everything. It's lit, bro. It's hot in Florida, so that's why I'm sweating. Just mind the sweat, though.
Are you the best or best waitress?
We just ordered a pizza real quick, but after our night, but you know, we stay lit. Woo. But we got Papa right here.
You best follow there.
Yeah, hey.
Ain't getting no pizza.
Okay. Papa got a Snapchat too. What's your Snapchat,
Hey,
Papa?
at Daniel Blakes. DanielBlakes.
Hey, always plug, always plug.
That's all the dick I hit before it's gone.
We're about to eat some pizza because we're done with the night or whatever, but let's just recap real quick. So we decided to go out to downtown to do a charade challenge or something like that, but it didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to.
Yeah.
So instead we decided to just have fun, and you can see that in all of our footage. And then when we got home, it was like, we kind of hungry. What were we?
Hungry.
And what were we?
Hungry.
Okay, we was hungry, I tell you.
We're
Okay.
starving, baby.
We was starving.
Starving Marvin.
Okay. So we decided to order some pizza, and that's when I met Papa Blake. So you saw Papa Blake. He got the hairs or whatever.
Looking like Jesus.
Okay, looking like
Blake lit.
Jesus.
Okay.
Okay, but
That's
Papa
what's
Blake
up.
was like, I got y'all free pizzas and everything. So we
Right.
so we about to be lit. So tune into the vlog next week so you can see if Papa Blake makes another appearance.
Free pizza this time.
Okay, so we got Eileen.
Bye, guys.
We got Real Mason Brad. And you got me, Jay-Z19.
Damn,
Love you
Zay.
guys. Mwah. And we out. Peace.
Bye.
Listen, say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye, Goofy. Bye.
Goofy. Say like and subscribe. Ready? Say.
Go. Subscribe. Like and subscribe, baby.